Here are two common browser development problems. The protected profile request returns 401 unauthorized because it does not include an authorization header. The second request reaches the API, but the browser blocks access to the response with a CORS error because the server allows production URL, while the local application runs on localhost. Let's test both scenarios using header override, without changing the application code. Start with authentication. The request fails with 401 unauthorized because the required bearer token is missing. Open an extension and create a request header rule. Set the header name to authorization and the value to bearer test token. Then limit the rule to the protected profile endpoint using the URL filter shown on screen. The request now returns 200, and the protected profile is loaded successfully. Header override added the authorization header without changing the application. Now test the cross-origin API. Create a response header rule. Set the header name access control allow origin and the localhost port 3000 value. Scope the rule to the API endpoint running on port 4000. The response is now readable and returns 200. The network panel may not display the injected response header value. Run this fetch command in the console to verify it. The output confirms that access control allow origin is now set to localhost 3000. Header override. Built with love for developers.